Let's learn how to optimize a Facebook page.
So the first step to optimize a Facebook page is click on the plus button on your Facebook account and then click page option. Now you have to add your page name, then the relevant category of your business. Now add description in this option because people want to know more about your business. Use this field as a chance to connect with the users. Now after you have put the description, click on the create page button. Now after that you have to add the profile photo and cover photo in your Facebook page. Now always remember, before putting or uploading the photos, just be sure that the photos are of the desired pixels that Facebook has mentioned. After uploading the photos, click on the save button. Now the next step what you have to do is, after creating a page, click on the switch now button that you can see on the left side of your screen. Now this will make optimization a bit easier. Now what you have to do next is click on this add a button and select one of the options. You can choose any of the options that you have seen in that add a button. That is totally depend upon you, what you want from your page, what you want from the users, or what you want from this button. Now the next step what you have to do is click on this about option, and then you can see here there's a option of story. Now use this field to tell something more about your business. Okay, first add a photo to make it more catchy. Now add something like about us and add some more information, like you can provide your mission of your company, how it is founded, etc. And then click publish button. After this step, just below that story option you can see add a team member option. Add yourself as a team member. You can do this as well. This will help you to build a credibility of your page. Now after updating the team member, I will click on the edit start date option, and here you can specify when your company or business was founded. After this option, click on edit business types and choose one of the options. I'm selecting the first one because I'm selling a service. Now the next option is to fulfill the contact details. Okay, then we will put our phone number here. If you don't have phone number, you can click on the option that your page doesn't have any phone number. Also add the email address so that users can contact you. Click on the save button. Also add the website. This is really important because it is a very effective way that you can shift your Facebook users to your website traffic. You can easily convert there. So always follow this step. Now in more info, always try to add something more about your business. Now in this option, in edit option, there's a word limit of 10,000 characters. So use this field to explain more about your business. Okay, I'm not doing it right now. In the edit privacy policy, put the website link where you have specified your privacy policy. Basically a privacy policy, you should be putting your privacy policy link, a particular web page which you have made. Now after that, you have to click on the edit page info button and just add more information here. It is same, add those word limits. Contact, we have filled that. Now location, okay, we will put our location, our address of the business. Don't skip any field because everything is important. So after adding the location, click on the hours option. Now this is really important. What is your opening time, what is your closing time? Your visitors should know about it. So I'm doing this. So after updating the hours of a business, if you are not satisfied with the template of your page, you can change it. For that, you have to click on the settings option, and here from the left hand side, you have to click on the templates and tab option, and then click on the edit button here. Just click here, and from here you can choose whatever template you want. If you want business template, you can choose. If you are if you want to promote your page through videos, you can create a video page as well. If you are into want to sell some products, you can choose a shopping template as well. So it depends upon you what your business is all about. Okay, after this step, if you want to change the tabs that you can see here, you can do it as well. So these are the tabs. If you want to change it, you can change it. So if you don't want a reviews tab on your page, you can simply turn it off. So in this way you can optimize your Facebook page. But that's not it. I'm also going to share 4 pro tips to optimize your Facebook page because you guys have been so patiently listening to me. So let's start.
4 pro tips to optimize a Facebook page.
So the first pro tip is add a description in your cover photo. So click on the cover photo and click on add description, and here you can add a description and click on the finished editing button. So now why it is a pro tip? So because whenever you add a or change a cover photo with a description, it will be visible to all the followers of your page, and that's a plus point. So the second pro tip is add relevant keywords in the about section of your page. Try to add 1 to 2 keywords for which your Facebook page appears on the Facebook search results for your chosen keywords. The third pro tip is add a custom username. So for that you have to click on the custom username option and add your custom name here. So why this thing is important? Because a custom name will help users to find and remember your page name easily. So for that there's a minimum requirement for 25 likes on your page. Once you have done that, you can create a page username from this section. The fourth pro tip to optimize your Facebook page is whenever you click on the about section, in the contact details part, you can see edit other accounts. Click on this option and click on add account and add your other social media accounts where you have been active, you are sharing values, you are sharing videos, information. Now the best part here is if a visitor comes to your Facebook page and he clicks on this particular link, he goes to your another social media account and gets value. This will help you to build credibility, authority in the market. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Please share this video with your friends. Have a nice day.